Hello friend, today we will show you a special trap in Sicilian defense. In this game, a player sacrifices first his piece, then he sacrifices queen for nothing and wins the game. Here is a surprise for you. We will start in Sicilian defense. White plays e4, then c5 was replied, nf3, nc6, d4, cd4, nd4, nf6, common variation, nc3, here d6 was played, bc4, then e6, castling, bishop e7, bishop b3. Now castling, black plays castling, bishop e3, a6. See this move, f4 was played. Here black plays d5 and white replies e5. As in French defense, like French defense, d5 was played, e5 was played by white. So here knight is to be saved and here nd7 was played. See this move, queen h5. Now rook e8 was played. He wants to bring his knight on f8, then g6. So here rook e8. He want to, this knight will come here and here. But here white sacrifices his piece by knight cross d5. See this move. He takes a central pawn and gives his knight. Now what to do? Here black cannot take this knight because knight cross this bishop will be sacked and this knight will be taken and winning a pawn and winning bishop pair will be for white and winning for white. So what to do? Here black take with pawn. Now see this move, queen cross f7 sack. See this move. Again a pawn is taken. First knight is given for pawn. Now queen is given for pawn. What to do? Black has choice either to take this queen or to save king. If he saves king, let's say, then knight will come here threatening. Let's play. If h8, then knight will go to here, mate on g7, threatening and also threatening queen. So this is not a good choice. Black has only option to take this queen. So here we will take back. So here black take with king, king cross f7, then bishop cross pawn is taken. Now king has two way, either to go back on f8 or here. Only two way. First, this is dangerous way. If king on g6, then he will be mated soon by f5 sack. King will go to h5 and here bishop f3 sack. Now what to do? King will go to h4, then n e6. Now threat is bishop will come here on f2 and mate. What to do? Here either to play queen here or bishop here. Otherwise bishop on here will be mated. So what to do? If let's say bishop here, then g3 sack, only move and nf4 mate. So we will take back. This is not a good choice. We will show last option. So after king cross f7, then bishop cross d5 sack, king instead of g6, we will play on f8, then n e6 sack, only move king g8, then knight cross queen d8, king will go to, not here. Why? Then knight will go, come back and here taking this rook. So only move is h8. See this move? Now an f7 check, king will go to g8. Here white can draw by possible, but he played, and d6 check, king here on f8, knight cross rook, king cross knight, and here a3, bishop c5, bishop cross c5, n cross c5, bishop cross, knight c6, pawn cross c6, and here white has 3 pawn and exchange up against bishop knight versus rook, but 3 pawn ahead. Here white can win easily. He is 2.8 plus. Hope you enjoyed this trap, this sacrifice, special sacrifice. If you liked the content of this video, then comment and share with your friends. Hit the like button. Stay tuned with Gupta Choice 15. Thank you.